This is event 103-19, swimming lane 0, Christian Alan Uy of PCA Stingray. Lane 1, Elijah Jefferson Peng of South Rapids Swim Team. Lane 2, Jose Maria Diestro III of South Rapids Swim Team. Lane 3, Andres Alandoni of Alabang Public Love Gators. Lane 4, Drake Materazo of Beta Caloocan Swimming Team. Lane 5, Ivan Evangelista of Beta Caloocan Swimming Team. Lane 6, Adrian Anson Santos of South Rapids Swim Team. Lane 7, Nathan Tumbagan of Pasig City Swimming. Lane 8, Josh Brian Tudolin of Hermosa Phoenix Swimming Team. Lane 9, Rafael Alan Rodriguez of Manila Sea Island Swim Club.